Hey guys and girls, Nagasaki here. Just got done doing a modification to this Central Machinery 14-inch bandsaw from Harbor Freight. It's one of the old school model, has the 4-speed and all that stuff. Got me a 3/4 inch, 3-tooth per inch bandsaw blade, and I think I can split a piece of wood by hand pretty decently. I've already marked it out where I'm going to be cutting. I'm going to freestyle this and see what we can do. The thing's a little loud, but then again, it's probably 20 years old. May even shake a little bit. It's vibrating the floor. Ooh, ain't that pretty? Oh, hell yeah. Beautiful. I got little bugs in there. I think this one had some termites or something in it. That's why I was using that. But look at that. I mean, it's not perfectly straight, but a little bit of limp on there. Run that through the planer. Bob's your uncle. Anyway, proof of concept. Peace.